beef oh beef we know we be say as a polyno multimedia you pay beef and some dodo. But before I ever start we no crowd say unsubscribe yeah subscribe and click the bell notification so be anytime you ever drop a video be announced have kind of straight. You hear Kwame Eugene, I mean say current musicians or more Ghana dey ye boni patre a untimi enyi Kwame Eugene emfrim obo no ho modern ye pa. I mean ye kakra so na ono na ye artist of the year ono na award no ekita no because inyanye VGM award bia enyi new artist bia na Kwame Eugene any guru sensem bi epi na ekoba ne sen guru si okofre Kwame Eugene for a future na ohwe nimu ana future ne ma asa ono na di nkomo kama say oh be recording one vibe kama but ohwe nimu anyum ne ma na anyum ne ma nim no na oye sene obefa akiri no akohwe di kitam yese otwe bibi na say emma na yese bibi kitam na okofa akiri nti okofa akiri no hu say Albert ye Kwame Eugene mo manager I mean Links Entertainment on the manager mo na okohu say Albert aka akiri nipa ne say oh guru dey forget am no go do am necessary omo the guru ho ya obi ahye omo trim because of kasebo enyuma guru eboye mo nyina jo ma people ye boda huru timunya so ye chiachia mu nyina ye de kasebo brebre mo fa ncha me voice enye me voice de enye eno nsem na de ahye Links Entertainment CEO etrim Richie ama oni guru enya nsensem bebre na guru nsema odi tu dwa no ene say ohun sa no ono de wan boda biem but ya say bibisa bisi na Kwame Eugene so eko Adum TV na Adum TV interview no ena enkomotwetwem no yekobisa ne say na guru de enyum asende ona anase guru no adi nyum ho nkomo say opese o feature na ade na wanye eho na Kwame Eugene so de tu dwa say ne boss Richie Mensa no untimi and disrespect no na o mefre ono Kwame Eugene na se o meye nwom ma na se o mema o hate na eno de ebasa entwa yi because se one open future dia untimi enko media house to media house enko didi ne boss atem na onsa emefre ono because se enye ne boss na enko no enye Kwame Eugene no nti se ohia na o so de enidie ema ne boss no and some way never told you on social media for say ampa Kwame Eugene udika no credit udika polyno multimedia for yes udika but and tokwa bi o ho a e wo se wugya ma mpanyifo ne ko se wo hwe na wontimi nye kra na ni kwan se wo de wa no ye den atum ene ye se silence is golden nti nka wo mia wa no a na nka asem na ye den atwa akoda ene ye bisa wa ene mrenya mmam nti na menya anye de ene ne nyeye nti saa muaye ye ode koma Adum TV se ono de guru amfa eni die ama ne boss eni nti no so anye ama ne hit songs no eno guru so hu ye na e ka ne ye ena ono so de betu dwa se Kwame Eugene se ka hit upon hitter Ghana ha ye pa artist na omo po hitter eye ono guru oka hu bi na odimu akotene because a year no timi bo hit songs be 4 and I say a year bi ho a timi nya be 10 kra hit songs nko 10 nti hit songs ye nyame adom odum ne bi na nani aso hit songs a o na ensema osade twa ato ne say Kwame Eugene enkai hu no say obefree Links a ni kwan so ne Links enya akasa bia o mompai say obefree asundwem na onkai so hu no say wiase no ekwa esa bisi nachi nti ono de obewish ne well nti onfa asundwe enye adwuma na we na nkofo se ampa guru a kire se oye panyi e wo game nim o se 13 years in the game there I mean wache ye nti ono ne project ena na oye na ode ensem we etudwa ye hwe guru ensem a o ka kire Zion Felix I didn't ensem we nyina e bai
Kwame Eugene and Patapaa went to feel Liberia. Yeah, I think Liberia.
What's that? You can't headline artist. So.
Kwame Eugene, I didn't see the flyer, but he was performing to like a large crowd.
We're talking about headline artists. You know what it takes to be a headline artist? A lot. Impact. Back to back. Consistency. For years, and I said for a time. And what will make that numbers to come another ball game. It doesn't matter which language you speaking. And the funny thing is, this is a Twi song, and people pulling up. Say Yabo Stadium, my mama and I am to the level say they are not allowing people into the stadium. It's not a joke. And currently, Master J Echo, one of the countries, near Master J, the manager, no Omukoye Kaki promo. And when they got there, I had like 15 hit songs. Ewo Zimbabwe, say Zambia, yeah, Zimbabwe, Zambia, and it's acquire country to country. And it's not just a hit song one, like 5, 10, 15. So it's not about we artists battling. It's about the impact and how well we sell in Ghana. And it's not about how competitive we are in Ghana. Communication, any artists, no personally have it, and they were ready and good to go. I was like, the reason why I started this collaboration thing is because the fans want me to do it. They realize I've not been collaborating enough with the Ghanaian artists, not even outside or anybody. But Akoya said, anytime a guru brings out a hit song, is like, or the new artist being aba. So work with the mainstream. You who said, like collaboration here, so on point. Now you guys, the unity we build up from somewhere. And he approached this young artist, and they were ready to go all out, work with us. After 2 months, 3 months, nothing is working. Nothing is, nobody like contact, like vibe. Who be sad info reason no doesn't even make sense. But every time these guys are doing collaborations, I was like, yo, the same circle. The song Kasiebo Pink Point, Killing the Game, When the Boy, is it not Richie? Obo Kwame, a group affiliation. So these guys too, they connect with the same, they under the label. A confronted many resolve from there, and later on, Namimo will be finding so unfair mami who dear. What is the problem? Because a album be a recording, it needs to be if Ombeya mean who enya. Ena omo manager Albert making some statements. Na statements, say no make it. Oh, guru there forget them, we no go do. Ability we get them. It thinks say we no get now we get them. And that means yo, Cratchy. Until the unity by we are say con anymore. Country beer drink Grammys. Country beer when artists pay free mobile agenda is to push either good or bad. They throw away their differences and they go for the kill. They vote massively. Intuition cry will actually impact your sort of hate or your feelings or how you think about things into them. Now, among family resolve it to see your interests achieved. Now I was like, okay, you're good. They are your guys. But this is what you're embarking on. Ghana, how many numbers near social media?